A country dance was being held in a garden. I felt a bump and heard an "oh, beg your pardon." Suddenly I saw polkadots and moonbeams all around the Brano street. The music started, and was I the perplexed one? I had my breath and say, may I have the next one? In my frightened arms, polkadots and moonbeams sparkled on a Brano street. There were questions in the eyes of other dancers as we floated over the floor. There were questions, but my heart knew all the answers, and perhaps a few things more. Now, in a cottage built on lilacs and laughter, I know the meaning of the word ever after, and I'll always see polkadots and moonbeams when I kiss the Brano street. As we floated over the floor, there were questions, but my heart knew all the answers, and perhaps a few things more. Now in a cottage built on lilacs and laughter, I know the meaning of the word ever after, and I'll always see polkadots and moonbeams when I kiss the Brano dream.